Nobody likes going to the doctor. What the hell? I ate a Cheeto between the couch cushions, and now I'm sick. Ew, that's disgusting. Go to a doctor. I can't. They're too damn expensive. Well, my friend, that's what an HSA is for. A who'sa? It's an HSA. It's fine. I'll go to a doctor. I'd rather go into medical debt than sit here and listen to you explain what the heck that is.
The finance geek.
Well, can you believe it? At the time of this video, it's sick season, baby. Pretty much everyone gets sick or has something happen to them health-wise. So what happens when you get ill?
Yeah, boy.
The most important thing is to go to a medical professional. It should always be a priority to take care of yourself. However, it can be expensive. So health insurance is designed to cover some of that cost. Most of the time, health insurance requires you to make a payment yourself. This is called a deductible. It's like when your sister tells you to take your nephew and do something with him. She gives you money to get him something to eat, but the little slugger only likes 4 things. So when you go to that restaurant you like, you gotta pay a little extra to get chicken nuggets as an entree. If you're listening to this, Olivia, I'm not taking Jonathan to the trampoline park next week. He's gonna be there for 3 minutes, hate it, and then wanna watch YouTube videos. Anyway, an HSA is a health savings account. It is designed to pay for whatever you need to pay for medically. The idea is you put some money into this account and then can use it for any medical expenses. You can invest the money so it potentially grows. And there are a lot of tax benefits as well. Think of it in HSA like having a picky eater fund. So anytime you need to pay the deductible, you already have that accounted for. So you're probably thinking, Big Eth, this is amazing. Why isn't everyone using it? Are you holding the sacred knowledge hostage? Like my NSA agent holds my internet history? Nope. I'm sharing the idea as much as I can. You see, part of the reason this account is not well known is because it's only come out in the last 20 years. The second reason is that only a certain group of people can contribute to it. You can only contribute to an HSA plan if you have a high deductible health insurance plan. This means that you pay more out of pocket for any medical need than other insurance plans. Therefore, there's more need for saving to cover the out-of-pocket costs. Hence why it's designed to be used for this type of plan. Pretend your sister only gave you $3 to cover your nephew's Peter Piper picky eater appetite. You can only use the picky eater fund if you're paying out of pocket a certain amount in comparison to other sister allowances. Not only can people in high deductible plans participate, there's groups of people out there that should more intentionally use them than others. Generally speaking, anybody should take advantage of them if they're in a high deductible plan, because it would be silly not to, if you are young and in theory healthier, and or don't have any health issues. With a high deductible plan, then an HSA is a great idea. And as for your internet history, Delta X-ray actual, execute whiskey, Echo, India, Romeo, Delta, Oscar. HSAs are relatively new, which is part of the reason why not as many people may know about them. The government actually knew a while ago high deductible health plans needed a way to be supplemented. The government had known since about the 1980s that people needed some sort of savings account for healthcare. So like the people that developed the wingsuit, they went through several versions to come up with the one we have today. Kind of like Goldilocks. One was too restrictive, one didn't have good enough benefits. It took them all the way to 2003 until they found the version that is just right. That is the HSA we have today. But what makes it even better is the only triple tax advantaged investment vehicle out there. You get a tax deduction when you put money into the account, then the money can grow tax deferred when it's in the account, and finally, you can take the money out completely tax-free if you use it for health expenses. It's crazy. Believe it or not though, it gets better. Not only do you get those benefits, so you can invest it to potentially grow like other accounts. And if you never use the money from the account, then at age 62, you can use it for your retirement. If you do use it for retirement though, you have to pay the taxes when you take the money out. Still, It's like another IRA on steroids. It's a pretty good deal. If you want to set one up, the first step is to reach out to your employer or where you get your health care from. They may be able to point you in the right direction. If not, then reach out to your friendly neighborhood finance geek and we'll help you get set up. Well, that's our show. Thanks for watching. And remember, an HSA a day helps keep the medical debt at bay. We'll see you next time. That's our show. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider following. And if you think we can assist you in any of your financial endeavors, please feel free to contact us. Our information is in the description below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.